Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work in POCO F5 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Here locate additional settings at the bottom and you can find gesture shortcuts. First option is Launch Google Assistant. If you choose to enable it, you can press and hold power button for half a second to call out your Google Assistant. Next feature is Take a Screenshot. Two options here. We can slide down 3 fingers from top of the screen to make a screenshot, or use volume down and a power key to make the same thing. Next is a partial screenshot. Press and hold 3 fingers onto your screen to make a partial screenshot. And then we have Launch Camera. There's 2 options. Double press the power button to enable camera, or double press volume down key when a screen is locked. Let's try the double press power button. It works fine, and while our phone is locked, we can double press the volume down button. It also opens the camera. Next feature is enable torch, and you will need to replace a double press power button from a camera to make it work. Now if we double tap on the power key, it enables the flashlight. Next feature and last one is a back tap, and here you can enable different functions for each of the settings. So there's double back tap and triple back tap. Let's choose double back tap, and I want to make a screenshot with it. And in the triple back tap, I want to enable Google Assistant. Now we're gonna lift our phone and tap somewhere around here 2 times, and it will make a screenshot. And if we triple back tap, we'll get Google Assistant. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.